It may have been the most dramatic scene at the O.J. Simpson trial of the century, that bloody glove not fitting on the fallen football star's hand. Now, all these years later, a startling charge. One of the prosecutors in a panel discussion at New York Law School accused the defense of tampering with the key piece of evidence that ultimately acquitted O.J. Simpson. ABC's Clayton Sandell has the details.
If it doesn't fit, you must acquit.
It was the defining moment in the criminal trial of the century.
He would have killed, could have killed, and did kill these two people.
Accused murderer O.J. Simpson struggling into those blood-soaked gloves. Prosecutors argued he wore them during the brutal 1994 slayings of his ex-wife Nicole Brown Simpson and her friend Ron Goldman. The jury wasn't convinced.
Not guilty of the crime of murder.
Now, 17 years later, Christopher Darden, the same prosecutor who told Simpson to put on those gloves, is accusing the defense of evidence tampering.
What I think happened is that the defense manipulated that glove so that it did not appear to look as if it fit.
Darden claims attorney Johnny Cochran tore the glove's lining so that Simpson's fingers would get stuck. Cochran died in 2005, but this morning, another member of Simpson's legal dream team is firing back.
If he had the complaint, he should have made it in front of the judge. Now, 17 years later, he makes a serious allegation against the dead lawyer. There ought to be a full and complete investigation, and if he's lying, which I am convinced he is, he should be disbarred.
Darden could not be reached for comment, but some legal experts believe no harm was done.
When you lose what was billed as a slam dunk case, and became the most publicized case in modern day history, it does cause a little pain. Frankly, he has the right to, give his thoughts, whether it's speculation or not.
The question now is whether Darden can prove his theory or not. For Good Morning America, Clayton Sandell, ABC News, Denver.